See, the thing I was wondering was, if I flew up 3 lunch tables together, I know I can do that. I've done that before without shocks. Now I got a monoshock with dampening and front forks. Let's see if I can go flying off the edge of this motherfucker, which is going to put me about as high as 2 bench lengths on top of each other. Let's see if that works.
That was crazy. That is it.
He came out of nowhere. I didn't know. He said he wasn't even know it.
Everybody's filming this? Oh, no! No! Yeah, you got it!
God damn!
That's what's up!
No, he's not.
Oh! Damn!
He's out.
Are you alright?
Peace out. Oh shit, you alright?
Yeah, you alright?
Hey man, he got knocked out, dude.